Alrighty.
Hi.
Hello there. I may sound different it's because I'm a little worn out today. Went thrifting, found some good stuff. I will have that video up. Do not worry. It'll be a big one. We went to Target. He brought me.
Hi.
Thank you, by the way.
You're welcome. I like your blade.
Yep. This is something I did not think was even... I forgot this was out. This is a surgfire, Elite Surgfire. It's a 15 dart 100 blaster. And I'm kind of curious about this thing.
He's excited.
Yes, I am.
It was actually a pretty good price too. Walmart,
Yeah.
that's more expensive than Walmart.
Actually, they're $25.99 in Walmart. This is $1 less.
Yep. Expensive than
On the back, it shows a
diagram of how.
a new fire strike. It looks like right
Right
here.
there, as my sword's pointing.
Let's see if you can see that.
Oh, here. Right there where my sword's pointing.
Yep.
Right where my sword's pointing. There. Looks pretty, huh?
So on the back, it shows pump action, slam fire, rotating 15 dart drum.
So when you do this opening, do you like?
I just crack it open.
Show it and. Do
I
you
show the
target
box
process?
and
You do
well, I
target?
try to do the shooting of it, yeah. And it says 90 feet. I doubt that. It says Elite XD
You
ranges.
might have a target then. Gives me a chance to practice my swordsmanship here. How about that, Robert?
I don't know.
Lucky little bastard you are. You don't have to just unbox your target. I could use the targeting practice.
There we go.
I could use the targeting
I couldn't cut it, but I at least got that out.
That means it comes with crappy tape.
Alright, here's the drum.
Pretty and round. I don't know much about guns that much. I'm more of a sword expert.
Yeah, he's not really that much into Nerf. Not yet, anyway.
Well, not Nerf. I like Nerf, like their Nerf crossbows and
Oh,
arrows.
yeah, you're
I
thinking
can
of
use
those.
those.
Yeah.
I can use their arrows.
This has a lot of cardboard inserts.
But like, I can use the arrows and
Oh,
stuff.
crap.
You know what I mean? But
More cardboard.
I'm not really a gun person. Like, I'm more of a bladesman, kunai, shuriken.
Yeah.
I like sword practice. He's gonna be shooting at me and we're practicing then his
Here
fire.
it is.
The gun without the gun part.
This thing is actually pretty comfortable.
Just like the tip of the blade. Should be hard enough now where it could get hit with a bullet without kind of like vibrating. Causes these foam swords to break. That's when you shoot a bullet at it. So it's good to have a foam sword and put tape over it if you're going to have a Nerf war. As Robert's going to talk about sometime soon though.
Sometimes. Not
So
yet.
this is just like, what do you call it? Just a little thing to tell you, we're getting ready for a Nerf war, but we don't know the date and everything. It's kind of like showing a game that's just a prototype in a way. There'll be like a little demo
Look
for
how
us.
thin this thing is. This is remarkably thin for what it is.
Well, we'll try to make a demo for the war too, just like a trailer in a way. That'd be
We'll
cool.
figure something out, yeah.
We'll have to get some guys to make a trailer. We should get Noah and Mike and...
Oh my god.
We should get them for the trailers, and then we should be like... Should have a villain. We have to have a villain. Hunter and Emily might want to do this, so...
Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll figure this out.
No, because the only villain is Theo. Remember Theo Legacy?
Oh my god.
The Dark Lord.
Yeah, you guys don't know who we're talking about. We're talking about old friends.
High school. Good old high school.
Well, it was not really
Well,
good.
It depends on part how you think about it. Like, your friends are cool.
Yeah.
The teachers are
And
okay.
these are W Code Elites, by the way, if you're wondering.
The teachers are okay, but like there were times like where the teachers were okay, but like most of the times they just butt in. Like there were times where they like butted in your business when you didn't need to. How I would say
Yeah.
it. They were good and everything. It's just sometimes it was just not necessary with some things. So when we get the three of us together, we gotta get Theo. Theo's just like in depression, I've heard. So that's why he hasn't called anymore. He's like so depressed or something.
Huh?
Yeah, so he has.
Oh, look.
But he did
This
call
is an extra
Noah.
dart.
Wow. Lucky you. One to put in this. I'm guessing it's one to put in the cylinder here then. Put one in here.
Hold on right here.
Mm.
Yeah, that's weird.
Huh. They must have
Hopefully it's not a
miscounted.
design flaw.
I was gonna say that'd be a good design flaw in a way, right?
Maybe.
Or maybe it's just an extra, just in case you lose them, because they do that at times.
Yeah,
I
these things
suggest
are-
I suggest you take the darts and put them in after.
Yep, I'm just gonna remove a few. And then.
Welcome to the party. Now you want to see some target practice, and you're wondering why I'm using a sword, because I want to be using a sword for the war, duh.
Derp.
I'm not a guns man.
Derp.
I'm a swordsman. Sometime I'll have to get more swords, you know, man?
Oh my god, that works.
Because if we're going to pack ourselves with guns, I got to pack myself with swords.
Paint test.
You hit the wrong spot.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, you go. Try it again with this. Try to hit my hand at the least. Try to hit my hand.
Damn.
A little bit of a bump when you feel the actual.
This thing has got some power in it.
It's got some power enough to make your. So we have a cartilage here that connects the bone to here. Kind of made it numb. First time.
Didn't think a Nerf blaster would do that.
Hey, the Lord can make up anything. What do you think?
Good point.
Now you're a cowboy. He comes from the west. I come from the east. I come from the east with a different sword. Yeah, he's from here. I come from a different country. I'm just adopted by Italians, Sicilians, Irish, and Scottish people. Adopted by those guys. You can always tell what the dinner table parties are about.
Oh man.
Try not to shoot in the street, especially now that we have cars coming. It's actually almost the time where people get out of work.
Close.
People are driving. So, how are we going to do our test for shooting? What do you want to do? We do it here where everyone can see, or want to be angled how? How are we going to angle this? So, we should probably do it right here in the grass. Wanna test it? So, put a thing where we can dig it, and then we should probably test it where you could probably shoot. May have to practice.
Alright. Let's see if this works. This is Elite Surgefire. Elite darts.
His gun against the Dragonborn sword.
One extra.
Should I say full raw die yet, or should I just... Okay. Got me! Keep on going.
Oh,
Yo, nice.
these things are so inaccurate.
Yo, I can't move.
Yeah, these things are not accurate.
Not if you aim it right. No, man, forward. You man forward a little. You can aim better if you're forward. It's not a long range weapon. If you move back,
I'm out.
move back like that.
This thing's intense.
So,
It's got some decent power in it. You can hear the pop. It's crazy.
Robert, this isn't a long.
Okay, so the my overall opinion on this is pretty high.
Pretty good.
It's not bad.
We should test for accuracy sometime, but not now.
This thing is kind of a little flimsy.
But I'm sure Robert has some awesome modifications in his head.
Yeah, I have some ideas here.
in his head already.
I might make this so that way I can remove the cylinder. Remove the cylinder, put a new one in.
I like that idea. And so next time we'll try to grab a couple of guys and start a war story, or
Maybe.
so if you're subscribed to his channel, ask if you want a war story or like a platoon story or a survival story. Get a couple guys surviving a while. It's up to you guys. But I do like a war story about a couple guys in a platoon. You think about like that book? Remember Miss G's class?
Yeah.
That book. We should try to do that. Make a story of a platoon. You know? And probably that's probably going to be decided by us too. But if you want your input, put your input on the what do you call it?
Comments.
The comment section.
Excuse me.
And we would love to hear what your ideas.
Yeah. Yeah, the ideas are be much appreciated.
For these guys, I'm sticking with the swords and blades. I have no chance with a gun. I'm sticking with swords and blades. But if you want me to go Shinobi, subscribe and we can even get donations. We can get more blades because he's got some like foam blades, but they're kind of not usable now.
No, not the fact they got the star scanners.
Yeah, so if you do want to get more materials, more different guns and stuff, we'll try to start a donation thing. How about that?
We can do that, yeah.
And then we'll just say donate money to an address for our video. We can make it better. We can get more better equipment too.
Set myself up with Patreon or something like that.
Yeah, kind of thing. And we could have a Patreon. We'll put more people in our group, so then you can know the different people. If you know his channel, I'll be. My channel's not that completed yet with many videos, but subscribe to my channel known as Battle Wolf Alpha. Me and a couple friends do a Saturday Night Live kind of like skit thing for our videos.
Little spoofs.
Yeah,
Parody
stupid things. So if you want to see this and you want to see Chef Donkey come here and fight, put in the subscribes. Otherwise, let's do our food dog. And have a nice day.
Oh, and I almost forgot.
Look at that.
Priming indicator right there.
Priming.
Oh. See that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, final stance.
It's the garbage can!
Woo! Oh, we're totally gonna be a great platoon.
That was
Now,
amazing.
the question is, who do you want? We have a couple people in our minds for a platoon. You want people that we like showed up on his channel, are friends of ours, or do you want to get our old high school friends together? Because we had everyone's number and make that into a platoon. Ask for that one, and because we've been trying to get a date together, me, the four of us, and two girls that are also in. So maybe we can use this as a get together, and if you wanted to, includes
Possibly, yeah.
we have Hunter, Emily, Noah, Mike, you, me, and yeah, that's all of them. And
That would
Thea.
work, definitely.
And then, I mean, who would be the leader? I guess you would be.
Maybe.
We'd have to, and if you wanted to do the high school guys, we'd have to have like votes for the platoon leader, kind of thing. Or we could just get any. I mean, if you don't want to see that, we could just do like Avery, Henry TV, and some other guys that were YouTubers that we know, and Pablo and Evelyn Juniors. We could probably get Pablo too, you know.
Yeah.
And he has a couple guys that do Nerf guns too, other than Avery and him. But Pablo don't do Nerf guns because he doesn't have actual Nerf guns. He has the water guns though.
Yeah, I remember those things.
But he has the water gun versions. That's why I don't know.
Yeah, Super Soakers.
So that's what he has. He has Nerf guns, and Avery has Nerf guns, and I don't got any like foam swords. I got like the plastic swords. But I mean I got like two lightsabers and a plastic like thing, but we'll have to see what we can do.
Well, that's from grandmother and uncle. Well, I gotta go anyway. This thing needs to. I can't use too much data.
But
thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure you grab one of these. They're not worth $25. It's a bit too expensive. Maybe wait for them to go on sale.
Indeed.
See ya.
Have a nice day.